So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to add emoji in your mail in Outlook. So guys, if you want to add emojis in your Outlook mail, so guys, it is very easy. First of all guys, you create new email. Okay, here you see enter your receiver mail. Okay, then guys, when you typing in the body like hello and you want to add some emojis, so guys, first you click here on your file. Okay, so click here, then edit. In edit, here you see the option of emojis and symbol, so you just click it. After click, here you see that your emoji show here. So for adding here, first click here, then double tap on the emoji. Okay, so which emoji you want. If you want to some extra symbols, so you also add symbols like this. Okay, so guys, this is a simple way that you can done. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.